Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris. It is a lovely, gray, drizzly, windy day here in the inland Pacific Northwest. I have a nice hot cup of coffee, which is perfect. Today's a lovely day to enjoy one's coffee and relax with a little bit of Stellaris. And relax we shall do. One thing that we will probably not be doing for another episode or two is go to war. So we're just gonna settle some stuff and build up some things. I've already built up a whole lot of stuff. I spent a lot of minerals on primarily buildings and additional starport upgrades, which is, it's nice. It's nice. It's gonna be good. We are currently annexing one of our vassals. I actually don't know how long it's going to be before the smug slugs become just part of us, just one of us. We will probably not use these guys to settle anywhere because they're solitary slow breeders. That's kind of useless. I had to do a little bit of console work, I ended up killing a lot of pops because there's a weird bug where, say I had, and this happened a few times, say I had a Polish pop on one of my worlds, and then another Polish pop started to grow, but then the first Polish pop left. They migrated somewhere else because we have free migration. Well, the growing Polish pop just stopped growing, and it just sits there occupying a space. Well, we had a few of those. It was actually a lot of Polish pops, but not entirely. We just, the only way to do it is to console them, kill them. So, what are you gonna do? One of the things that I want to do, because we now have the ability to genetically engineer folks, I'm gonna send probably Polish folks down to this tundra world over here, right here. We're gonna get rid of this, this frontier outpost. So we'll settle this tundra world, and then we will alter the pop to be a tundra preference. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna have some lovely tundra birds to send all over our little empire. Oh, one thing I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go to Lido, and I forgot that I actually had to do this on purpose. So what are these guys called? So remember these guys. We settled on this planet. It's an ocean world with these little molluscoids. They do really well with minerals, but they're not very smart. Well, one of the things we're going to do, they're called the Carabiner. So contacts, species, Carabiner. We're going to uplift these guys. What are we going to give them? We can give them a positive trait. What positive trait do we want to give them? Maybe we just give them strong. Gives them army damage plus 20, minerals plus 5. They already have a bonus to minerals. Maybe we give them actually, what do they have? Minerals. So maybe instead we give them, what is it? Industrious. There we are. Yeah, we'll give them industrious. Okay. Yeah, they'll just be super crazy workers. That's what they'll do. Let's uplift them for the cost of 700 society research. So basically, what we're going to do, because we have 281 society research per month, over the course of under 3 months, we're going to go down here, and we're going to just alter all of them, such that they're just a completely different sort of sapient being. Okay, whatever works.
Situation log updated.
Whatever works. Let's do it. Yep. Okay. Very nice. Very, very nice. Now, we could also do, like, Venetians. Actually, let's take a quick look at Venetians. Just out of curiosity, what can we do with our own species? Venetian. We have a lot of pops, by the way. Let's modify ourselves. What would we do? I don't think I want to get rid of weak. It's really not doing anything for us. It really, really isn't. We could do enduring, do rapid breeders, communal, nomadic, quick learners. Quick learners could actually be pretty good. So let's say we do quick learners, and let's say we just do, well, no. Let's do something that will actually affect pops. Let's do maybe natural engineers. We could use some engineering. Natural engineers on Venice. So that's, wow, that would cost a lot, actually. No, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. It's okay. So let's cancel that. No, we're not going to get rid of weak, and I can't really think of anything else to really do. And the reason I didn't want to do, the reason I didn't want to add a trait for, that would do something about the leaders, is because, when you get right down to it, the leaders are coming from all over our empire, and if I only alter the ones in Venice, then that makes it very unlikely that a bunch of new leaders are going to come from that spot. So it's not really worth it. It's not really worth it. Not for 3,600, not for 3,600 society research. Not, I don't think anyway. Okay. What else is going on? I've decided I do want to settle down in this region. It's kind of in a weird sector down here. I want to settle right there and settle right there to begin with. And actually there is a species to uplift here, so we'll do that. Or to enlighten, excuse me. So we'll enlighten some folks here. And then what else? And then I'm actually hoping that if we settle here, we will be able to push the borders to the point that we can get this one. If we can do that, we might actually be able to get this one. And I actually know what I'm going to call that sector if we pull it off. I don't know all of our battle plans when we next are able to declare wars. And that will be in about 3 years. But I do know we are going to just rip apart the Habsburgs. The Habsburgs are going to go away. It's just true. What are they like? Charismatic, rapid breeders, quick learners, solitary. Tropical preference. Yep. Not bad. Fanatic, pacifist, spiritualists. Yeah, it's not bad. So yeah, the plans are, there's a lot of settling to do. We want to settle down in here, down in this region. We've got a couple of colony ships going that way. We're going to actually be paying a lot in colonies. We want to settle down in here real quick. We'd like to settle down in here and do some tundra birds. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. So, oh yeah, real quick. The Papal States, hey, you. We're not going to actually attack you anytime soon, so let's just end your rivalry. You are ridiculous. That's amazing. You are ridiculous. Okay, well, how about these guys? Yeah, we're gonna kill you. So why don't I declare you a rival? Good, now we can give you the thrashing you deserve. Not bloody likely. Their fleet power is equivalent, and their fleet tech is also equivalent. I want to point out that the previous crazy bear of our federation, the Teutonic Order, who are currently the leaders, they have 11 ships. They have 11 ships, and their military is considered pathetic. So I don't know what happened with that, but we're not going to be able to use them as a battering ram anytime soon. What do we got? Korean director is declared the Byzantine Republic the rival. Interesting. Well, the other thing we're going to do, we're going to just finish off at least this section of the Korean Directorate and kill off some of that stuff. This stupid frontier outpost just needs to die. I queued up a whole lot of upgrading of ships. Somebody no longer wants to be our friend, and the Papal States no longer wants to be our rival. Oh, I should have read what those said. That's
Special
okay.
project complete. System survey complete.
Okay. Our efforts to accelerate the evolution of the Karabnar along a favorable trajectory have been tremendously successful. Educational programs are in place for the specimens, individuals, individuals now, born post-uplift, and their elders are proving receptive to psychogenetic conditioning. The Serene Republic of Venice welcomes them. Let's see how they look. Let's see. This is our only uplift. See, and they look different. Good. I was hoping that that would happen. Okay, they look different. They are spiritualist militarists. Interesting. Oh. Never mind. They're actually a mix of different, what are they called? Oh, uplifted, plus 20. I wonder how long that lasts. Probably not forever. But they have a mix of different ethics. Very interesting. Okay, well. Yeah, you have no ethics at all. You just don't care. You just don't care. So, yeah. Very good. Now, build them some minerals, right? That's what I'm thinking. Okay. Yeah, get him off of this. Yeah. Okay. Cool. See, that didn't take so long.
Construction complete. System survey complete. Construction complete. Ships upgraded.
There we go.
Ships upgraded.
I don't remember what my upgrades were. I think the upgrades actually had to do with improved point defense. I think that's what it was. Yeah, it was the improved point defense that I did. We're losing money. We're going to be losing money for a while. We have a lot of... what are they called? We have a lot of colonies going. The integration of the Karabnar, who we uplifted, is going more smoothly than expected, but not as smoothly as we had hoped. Despite our efforts to soft shape their psychology, the Karabnar still occasionally struggle with the way we do things in the Serene Republic of Venice. So, Rocky Start modifier added for 24 months, only on Lido. Minerals -5. Rocky Start, minerals -5. Get it? Get it?
Construction complete.
Okay. Oh, hang on. Do we have any more colony ships? No. Any more hidden colony ships? No. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. The Papal States have declared the Big Blue Blob. Okay, let me make sure that I'm not missing anything big. Okay. While the Serene Republic of Venice provides a solid structure upon which to model their internal social order, it may not necessarily be what suits the uplifted Karabnar best. Their sudden rise to becoming our intellectual equals robbed them of millennia of potential societal and cultural development. Perhaps as a result of this, the Karabnar social order is in a state of extreme flux. One day, the family unit is paramount, and the next day, community leaders are calling for a dissolution of all clan-like bonds. Fascinating, nothing happens. May the Karabnar find themselves in each other, or self-realization comes only through independence. Oh, let's give them Individualist.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete. Construction complete. Construction complete. Colony established.
Nice. Okay, there we go. Padova, where are you? Is this you? Go to. Oh, it's this one. Okay, that's easy to fix. It's very easy to fix. Empire. Tornado. Managed sector. There you go. Alright. Oh. Add that too. Might as well. There you go. Yeah, that one's not even done. In fact, I think that one takes a... That one comes off of our... I think that comes off of our books in terms of how much it costs us. Empire. Tornado sector. I think all of a sudden their paying for that colony, but I'm not sure. Yeah, they're not paying me anything yet. That's okay.
Construction complete.
Excellent. Some issues have arisen on Lido as a result of the Karabnar populace's aversion to arms. A representative has made a formal request for clearly delineated demilitarized zones. Do we want to give them pacifist or militarist? I say we give them neither. It's fine.
Construction complete. Construction complete. Debris analyzed.
Ooh, what do we get? Nothing. Oh, crap. Hate it when that happens. Are any of these upgrading? No, none of these are upgrading.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
There we go. Everybody's coming home. Everybody's coming home.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
Yeah, this upgrade doesn't take very long.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
Here we go.
Colony established.
Which colony is established?
System
Oh, yeah.
survey complete.
That one. That one down here. And we're about to settle this one. Excellent. I think it's time to build a few more colony ships, especially before this becomes no longer available. So what is this down here? This is a desert world. Alright. How's it looking? It's not horrible. We'll settle right there. This is mostly a land grab. Oh, and something else I wanted to mention. So I did a little count. I counted up exactly how many planets we currently have. And between 88 actual planets, the 3 colony ships that were on the way, the 2 vassals, and the 2 enlightenings that were going on. I forgot what the number was on that. Yeah, I actually forgot what the number was. 88 plus 3, or 88 plus 2 is 93, 95. So 95 planets. And then I threw in the number of planets that were within our territory, but hadn't been colonized. And that actually was like 101. Either it was 101 or 103. It was actually I forgot if I had counted something. I actually forgot if I had counted these guys down here. So it's a little bit annoying. But like within our territory, we have either 214 or 216 planets. In order to win the game, and it's kind of silly that, I mean, it's kind of annoying that that's really the way that I have to win the game, is just like colony spam. It's sort of terrible, but anyway, in order to win the game, I have to have 320 planets. And so that's 40%. We currently have about 27%, actually I think it's exactly 27% of all the planets in this galaxy currently are occupied, or colonized. And we're actually like, we're about a third of the, or 2/3 of the way towards getting what we want within our territory. So at some point we're going to have to finish swallowing up more territory and then just spam colony ships. But that's for another day. Now, Desert World. Desert World. Hey, Toledo. And yes, I renamed this planet to Toledo. Not sure I want you guys. Oh, you. Yes, you're not xenophobes. Excellent. Excellent. I'll take you guys. How about if we build... Oh. I need a spaceport first. That's going to be 2 months. Okay. Then I want this one. It's an ocean world? Fine. Let's go to Venezia. Build. Colony ship. Thank you. My cat just woke up. She may come say hello. I'll deal with her in about 5 minutes. When this episode ends. Okay, let's get a couple of other colonies started. Might as well, right? Got these going. That's another desert world, actually. Oops. And a tropical world, which we can't do, so okay. That's an arid world. Okay, so we're waiting for the Toledo spaceport
System
to get
survey
built.
complete.
And Cassini is bored. Bored. Cassini is bored. Yeah, we're gonna settle these. It's gonna happen. Okay. Survey system. Survey system. Survey system. And survey system. And then I don't know what you're gonna do when, well, I guess you're gonna help this place research, which is kind of funny. I can't get my construction ships up here because this is blocked off. Oh, it's so very close to not being blocked off. Ooh, it's windy out there. So yeah, we'll have to. I gave these guys a whole lot of cash or a whole lot of minerals. The Lido sector here, give them a whole lot of minerals. Hopefully she builds. I don't know why I'm calling it a she, but hopefully they build their own construction ship. That would be nice.
Colony established. Debris analyzed.
Hang on.
System survey complete.
And there we go. Stormfire cannons, very good. The Republicans have declared something. Hierarchy over Ross has declared somebody their rival. Good, good. Lots of surveying. Okay, so in order to deal with this, we need to Empire. Crossroads sector. Can we add these guys? No, we can't. We can add these guys. We can add these guys. Oh, there we go. That is the weirdest way to do what I just needed to do, but it works. Okay then. Finish. Crossroads sector just got a little bit bigger. Actually, I bet you I could add this sector too. And we might. I don't hope to have too many more sectors, actually. We'll have this one. This one's already a sector. I'll add the Habsburgs, but hopefully it'll actually swallow this sector eventually. That will involve us going to war with... Oh! Look who just... Hansa just did a land grab over here. We need to go to war with the Hansa. When it's our turn, we're going to have to go to war with... I have to keep an eye on this. We're going to have to go to war with... the Habsburgs, the Hansa, the Koreans. We're going to have to do 4 wars. Dang. And the Aztecs. The Aztecs are going to open up some weird flanking issues, but we'll deal with it. It'll be fine. And then in a different war, we'll just finish off the British and these guys. Or make inroads into the British and these guys. It's a thing. It's a process. It's a process. Wow. Armies take a while. My psi armies.
Construction
My
complete.
ugly French psi armies. Yup. I said it. Let's just manage this here. Well, no, I'll do it later. I was going to add this colony to this sector, but...
Debris analyzed.
What'd we get? Oh, nothing. I gotta be a bit more selective about which debris I analyze, honestly. Hey, Teutons, are you building up your fleet again? Oh yeah, it looks like you're building it up. You're inferior instead of pathetic. Good work. 17 military ships. Good job, good job. Oh, you know, speaking of, I'll queue up a bunch of military ships. Castilian Patriarchs. Oh, unfortunate. Oh, and we should probably survey this system over here. construction ship. Where are you? Oh yeah. Okay. That's the timer. Are there any good... what are they called? Any good bases to build? Not yet. We'll get something in this system. You go hang out in orbit. Orbit. Thank you. Okay, and you're... oh, these are both of our things. Yeah, someone's surveying the systems, someone is getting the debris. Some of the debris has good stuff in it, some of it doesn't, quite frankly. Okay. And then, let's go to Toledo. And get us a couple of colony ships. Specifically, I want the Fanatics, Spiritualists... oh, no. Spiritualist, Individualist, Materialist. Yeah, that'll do great. Give me 2 of them, actually. Right? Yes. Yes, I can think of 2 that I want. And I think that's gonna do it. We have the ships building that are gonna come down here and expand our territory. Yes. So yeah, we're gonna pick up this desert world and this ocean world. And we're gonna pick up this desert world. It'll be great. It'll be wonderful. So good. I'm enjoying it. I'm pretty happy. Well, there we go. We're just kind of getting our our feet under us a little bit, planning out our next moves, figuring out who we're gonna kill next. Looks like it's gonna be 2307. So another year and a half actually is all we got. Who do we focus on?
Research complete.
Koreans, maybe?
Debris analyzed.
Ulm joined the Bright Concord. Weren't they already in the Bright Concord? Ooh, X-ray lasers. Oh, so good. I will edit some things and upgrade some things. And I will not do this tech because this tech is, it's repeatable. I don't want to do repeatable techs. Probably want to start doing some of these, like the plasma accelerator, proton torpedoes. We'll see. We'll see. Wait, particle... oh, no, never mind. This is an easy one. Particle lance. And the upgrade to particle lance is fantastic. So, yeah, particle lance. It's only going to take 4 years. Physics research plus 30 points. You know what, science ship? Who here is doing the debris? You. Yeah, don't do debris. Just don't. Survey system. Survey system. And survey this system because we haven't yet. Oops. Oh, and then the graveyard expedition. Oh. Oops. Yeah, my Mount Graveyard expedition. We'll do that after all of that. Okay, there we go. It's gonna be a good time. Gonna be a good time. I got a feeling. Right? Right. And one of these days we gotta start settling some Tundra worlds. It's gotta happen. It's gotta happen. But that day is not that day. You know what? I did enjoy myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. And I do in fact look forward to seeing you next time.